Hi everyone, this is Naman from Synaptics. I work in DevOps, and this all are my friends.
Hi, this is Chandu. I work as a secure boot expert in Synaptics. So here I work as a front-end developer to develop this application.
Hi, I'm Chidananda. I work as firmware engineer in the same company. So I took care of the hardware here.
Hi, and I am Rakshit. I validate hardware, and so the problem with validate hardware is when I test hardware or something, I see issues in signal validation. I connect to breadboards and I connect to different SPI I2C and everything, and I see issues. I believe that similar issues can be seen on the. I believe the similar issues could be seen on the for beginners.
Yeah, so generally we validated this idea across different companies, Broadcom, Infineon, our friends, and they also faced a similar issue. The biggest issue for a IoT project is that IoT materials are irreversible. So hardware you can just short circuit and it will just go down, and debugging is very really painful. It's slow and very painful, and at the last you will be assigned by the managers to complete before the task. So it's like sleepless nights. So we were trying to build an architecture where a person will just come with a mobile. He will just connect to the network the chip is in, just click the photo, and it will just upload to the website where the later things will be analyzed completely by AI, and it will just validate the circuit where is the problem. And once after its validation, it will dynamically make the mesh connection of the breadboard itself, where every point is connected to every point. It's not a normal basically breadboard. And how it's gonna help to any beginner is like it's gonna be very cost efficient. You won't be required to take the hardware again and again, and it's like vibe coding on hardware, you can say. Once after this, we found one bigger problem is like you don't know which signal, what voltmeter each pin is. So that's we created a website in that same URL where you can just ping, you can just connect it to, and it will show how much voltmeter, yeah, which pin is having which volts. It will realize the waveforms across it. And what we are expecting is like if you have any problem, if you have seen this problem, if you want to help us or collaborate with us, just drop a comment or reach out us to same LinkedIn or Twitter handle, and we would be reaching you out back.